What you're looking at here is an Alumax top roller. It has stainless steel construction. It has 3 screws to clamp the glass. Most showers only have like 1 or 2. Sometimes they drill a hole in the glass so it'll never come off, but those ones always break. So the shower we're going to install is right here in front of us. We have Curtis, who just got done completing the shower. It has a brushed nickel color. Has a center bumper. You can see this is the inside panel. It has just a single pull on the glass. This is what the channel looks like after it's installed. The connection's very tight, almost like laser cut. You can see they rounded the back of the metal a little bit to follow the concave of the tub enclosure there. So let's watch him put the glass in.
The drawing's right here.
It's nice and tight down in there. Water will not come out. Kind of like a perfect fit. See those hinges a little closer? See how they just tuck up just so perfectly inside that top header? It's a 1/4 inch glass. It has a flat polished edge on it.
I got this right there at my feet, bro.
There's a hole in the glass right there.
Pull it out so the center marks, keep the hole. Does it need to go up or anything? I don't think so. Can I flip it this way? I want it even. There you go.
Hit it hard. Hard, down. Whoa, I just saved the boat from hitting that other boat. That's exciting stuff right there. He floundered is what happened as we were coming up. I told him to hit reverse. He didn't hit it. He missed it. What happened?
I had it all under control. But I don't know where I'm going.
I don't know, man. It looks like we almost hit it. How exciting was it? Just stop. Don't even go.
We're going
You almost hit that boat. You don't know what you're doing. Stop. See if you can park it on this one first.
right here. Go grab that buoy.